हिंदुस्तान मेरे वतन, तुझ पर फिदा हम सब का मन।
मेरा इंडिया हमारा इंडिया, मेरा इंडिया हमारा इंडिया, मेरा इंडिया पैनोरामा इंडिया, हमारा इंडिया पैनोरामा इंडिया।
जय 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 हे।
I hope you're enjoying the show. Has it not been spectacular so far? A very emotional opening ceremony and an amazing patriotic segment. Now we are ready for the virtual grand parade. Everything you've been hearing about, all the excitement. You know, we have so many community groups that came together. Each of these floats, virtual floats you're about to see, was put together by these community organizations that have worked so hard to present to you their state in a 10-minute presentation. I hope you're truly excited, but I want to remind you, you get to vote for your favorite float. Do not forget that. Our website is now open. The Vote Now link is available. So when you go to our website, you will see the Vote Now button. You can click on that and you can vote for your favorite float. Today's part A of the parade and tomorrow is part B, because there were so many states. We have 28 states represented. We are so proud of our community and how everyone came together to present to you such a spectacular and first ever grand virtual parade. We are proud at Panorama India because the community we stand and work alongside came together in a time when it was very difficult for everybody. So I am very proud that the culture, the heritage is depicted throughout these entire states that you're about to see. And I hope you appreciate all their hard work, and do not forget to vote. Are you ready to see the parade? I'm ready to see the parade. I am ready to vote. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting Panorama India's grand virtual parade, first time ever. Here we go.
Namaskar, I'm Apurva Srivastav, Consul General of India to Toronto. Consulate is extremely happy to be part of the first ever virtual India Day celebrations organized by Panorama India. I would like to thank the Indian community who have come together to showcase the rich diversity, heritage and tourism potential of India through digital floats and cultural performances from across the country. I invite all of you to experience this visual treat and participate in the exciting contests organized by the Panorama India from the comfort of your homes. I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
In India, I learned that you don't add masala just to the food. You add it to everything you do. I learned that flavour is more than a taste. It's a sight, it's a sound, it's a science. In India, I found the secret masala spices that make all the difference. The joy with which you cook, the love with which you serve.
रंग बदल बदल के क्यों चहक रहे हैं दिन दोपहरिया, मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना क्यों फुदक फुदक के धड़कनों की चल रही गिलहरिया, मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना. Hi guys, it's me Jonita Gandhi wishing you all a very special 74th India Day and virtual Grand Parade. I'm proud to be one of the virtual Grand Parade marshals this year. I want to congratulate Panorama India on the first ever virtual celebration. I have a very special bond with Panorama India because I was one of their original Panorama Idol winners. So I'm proud to be a Canadian Indian, and I'm wishing all of you a very safe celebration with your loved ones. Jai Hind.
Hi, I'm Parvez Rahman, President of the Assam Sangha Canada Community Association in Toronto. Ahom, or Assam, is one of the 7 sister states in the northeastern part of India, through which the mighty Brahmaputra River flows. Assam is home to the one-horned rhino, along with the wild water buffalo, and provides one of the last habitats for the Asian elephant. Assam tea and Assam silk are world famous. In Toronto, Ahom Hongo Canada was established in 1971, and in 2013 it became a registered organization in Ontario as a non-profit socio-cultural organization. We promote ethnic values and values of Assam and the Northeast through events, seminars, and workshops at various levels of participation. We encourage everyone to become a member of our organization. Happy Independence Day and stay safe.
Namaskar. My name is Tanya and I will be talking about Assamese literature and cinema achievements. Assamese literature dates back to the 14th century when the great Assamese poet Madhav Kondali translated the Ramayana from Sanskrit to Assamese. Srimanta Honkadev, a famous Assamese saint scholar in the 15th and 16th centuries, consolidated much of Assamese culture and literature by initiating the Bhakti movement. Hemchandra Borua and Loknath Bezborua were notable writers of the 19th century. Jyoti Prasad Agarwala, Vishnu Rabha, and Bhupan Hazarika were all multifaceted writers whose works included plays, poems, films, songs, and more. Since then, many landmark films have been made by the likes of Bhavendranath Soikia and Janu Borua. Assam has also made its mark in the international world of cinema, with movies such as Village Rockstars, which has received many awards and critical acclaim. As part of the Awesome Assam tourism campaign, the government of Assam had appointed international celebrity Priyanka Chopra as the ambassador of Assam until 2019.
My name is Ashas, and today I'll be talking about the monuments of Assam. The monuments of Assam are mainly influenced by the Ahom dynasty, who ruled Assam for 600 years. They are used everyday material like jaggery, mustard oil, bricks, and stones for construction. Some well-known monuments located in the Ahom capital, Sagar, are the 18th century Ranghar, Asia's first amphitheater, the Shivadon, and the Talatangkor, or underground palace. It has 3 underground floors and 2 overground floors called the Karangor. The influence of religion on the monuments cannot be ignored. The Nanghars and the Hotros were influenced by Srimanto Honkadev. Sufism inspired the different Dagras. Kamakhya Temple, situated on a hilltop near Guwahati, is visited by several tourists. These monuments represent the peaceful coexistence of people through the centuries. Thank you.
My name is Ruha Mohanta, and we're explaining handicrafts of Assam. These are called japis. They're made out of bamboo and decorated with sequins, lace, and soft fabrics. These are utensils made out of bell metal. This is a book holder made out of Assamese wood, which holds books such as the Gita, and these are assorted Assamese fabric designs. This is a horai, also made of bell metal. This is a manuscript art from Assam made by Honkadev. This is a biodegradable fabric and rhino poop paper notebook. And last but not least, this is bamboo decor.
Namaskar, my name is Krishif Tekuria, and I'm here to talk about traditional Assamese clothing. The Assamese enjoy wearing simple dresses, most of which are made from hand-woven textiles. Women wear motif-rich mekhala chador or riha mekhala. Men wear the surya or dhoti. Over it, they wear a chador known as saleng. The clothes are most commonly handmade using cotton, eri, muga, Assam pat silk, etc. Wearing hand-woven Assam silk during occasions such as weddings is a tradition amongst Assamese people. The gamusa is a towel of respect and significance amongst the indigenous people of Assam. The gamusa is usually a rectangular piece of white cloth with red floral designs on the border, just like this one. The gamusa is usually made using cotton, but on special occasions, it is made using Assam pat silk.
Hi, my name is Swish, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about Assam's agriculture. In Assam, we both have food crops and cash crops. Some food crops are wheat, potato, and rice, and some cash crops are tea, tobacco, cotton, oilseeds, and sugarcane.
Can you tell me more about tea?
Sure. Tea is the most important cash crop in Assam. Over 50% of India's tea comes from Assam, and over 15% of the world's tea also comes from Assam.
That's awesome.
There's many types of tea. We have CTC, Orthodox, and green tea. Assam is the land that wakes up with the first touch of the morning sun, and we love to start our day with a fresh cup of tea. I welcome you to visit our beloved state Assam and see the beautiful tea gardens and paddy fields.
Hi, I'm Mon Hazark and I'm here to talk about Assamese cuisine. It's really something awesome because it's for everyone, whether you like spicy, tangy, mild, or sweet. Speaking of which, let's see some of these foods. The first ones on the list are tekalapita and tilpita. Tilpita is essentially rice flour and shredded coconut mixed with black sesame, and tekalapita is steamed rice cakes and red tea. The next ones on the list are patat dia mas and masartenga. Masartenga is tangy fish curry and it is widely popular among food lovers across the country. And patat dia mas is a non-vegetarian favorite and it is essentially small fish wrapped in banana leaf. And finally on the list, there is til dia murgi and it is very tasty. It is chicken cooked in black sesame and it is awesome. In conclusion, Assam has a lot of tasty food and it's meant for a wide variety of people. No matter what, if you like tangy, spicy, sweet, or savory, Assam has the right food for you. Hi, I'm Gargi, and I'm going to be showcasing the dances of Assam. Hotriya is the classical dance of Assam, which originated in the monastery, known as Hotras. It was created by the renowned Mahapurush Srimanto Honkardev during the Bhakti movement. The dance tells stories, typically with a spiritual theme. Now, when it comes to the Assamese cultural identity, Bihu is the first thing that comes to mind. The energetic and lively Bihu dance is the same as folk dance. Females typically wear a traditional mekha sadar while dancing, and men wear tuti, gamusa, and rongani. Bihu is named after Rongani Bihu, the celebration of New Year's in Assam, as the dance is now often performed during this time. Bihu was initially danced in the open fields of Assam before planting crops, originating as a prayer for fertility and a good harvest. Eventually, the dance moved to the cities and to the stage, becoming more widespread and transforming into the Bihu we know and love today.
Namaskar. I'm Vais Sarma, a member of the Canadian Assamese community. I hope you have enjoyed watching and learning about the traditions and cultural heritage of Assam.
I'm happy to mention that we could sponsor meals and other groceries for more than 450 people in need in Ontario. We could also use the funds to help procure PPE and other essentials for the frontline workers in Trillium hospitals in Mississauga. Another ongoing effort has been to help send back stranded and distressed Indian students in Canada back home to their friends and family via the Vande Bharat mission. These and numerous other initiatives have been taken by the community members in various capacities as we join hands in fighting this global crisis together.
Finally, on behalf of the Canadian Assamese diaspora, I would like to wish everybody a very happy India Day. As the theme goes, Mera India, Hamara India, in translation in Assamese, Mur Bharat, Amar Bharat. Let's all stay very well and healthy. Joy Ayapam, Jai Hind.
Om Shanti, this is Sister Shobna from the Brahma Kumaris. Brahma Kumaris offers free courses in meditation for spiritual upliftment and empowerment of the mind. Here's a small message wishing all of you a very happy India Day 2020.
Hi, I'm Suchitra Pillai from Mumbai, India, and I'm here to wish the Indian High Commission in Ottawa, the Indian Consulate in Toronto, Panorama India, and everyone from the Indian community in Canada a very, very happy Independence Day. I also have to say that I'm very, very proud of Vaidehi Bhagat and her team who have put this event together for the first time in Toronto. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day.
Welcome to the digital float of Bihar and Jharkhand Association of Canada for Panorama India Parade 2020. We will start with a speech by the President Mr. Amit Suhas and showcase two important festivals of Bihar and Jharkhand, Bol Bum and Chhath Puja. Presenting the President of Bihar and Jharkhand Association of Canada, Amit Suhas.
Wishing you all a very, very happy Independence Day. I am Amit Suhas, President of Bihar and Jharkhand Association of Canada. To showcase the culture and tradition of Bihar and Jharkhand and keep it alive in Canada, every year we participate in Panorama India event displaying the true color of Bihar and Jharkhand on Canadian streets. Many thanks to CGI and Panorama Board for organizing this mega event and to provide a platform to connect back to their roots and feel united. Bihar and Jharkhand known for its historical eminence since Ramayana and Mahabharata. We are the origin of Buddhism, Jainism, first university of the world that is Nalanda. Also, the revolt of 1857 was started by Veer Kunwar Singh in Bihar. We at Bihar and Jharkhand Association of Canada has been very successful to provide a home away home platform. Even though most of our Bajka members are from Bihar, Jharkhand and Eastern Uttar Pradesh, but we welcome everyone from every part of India, Canada and elsewhere. Bajka has been engaged in various community work, participate actively in giving back to our society and the country. Please follow our digital float in Panorama India event. Thank you and once again wishing you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are from Bajka family, Bihar, Jharkhand and Canada Association. At Bajka, it's called, home away from home. All the people from Bihar, Jharkhand and Canada, we meet together, we celebrate together all the functions, all the rituals here, and certainly it's the fun forum to get involved. Don't forget to celebrate with us Diwali, Chhath Puja, Holi, Makar Sankrant, all those things. And we are going to celebrate the 15th August 1947, that when India got independent, that's what we're celebrating. So certainly we are going to devote this song to our brave soldiers, especially to the Bihar regiment. And here it comes. Canada associations here in Toronto, Canada. We are celebrating 15th August, Independence Day of India. So please participate with us virtually and make sure that you are going to see the Bajka culture, Bihar and Jharkhand and Canada culture. Home away from home, that's what we call it here. And we do celebrate together all the rituals, all the functions, all the festivals here. And please come forward. And we are going to showcase one of the beautiful things that happens in Bihar and Jharkhand, and that's the Baba Dham, that's the Bolbam, that's the Badnath Dham. So please join together and enjoy this song. Thank you.
Chhath is the most pious festival of Bihar, and Biharis in GTA celebrate Chhath Puja every year with great zeal with the support of Bihar and Jharkhand Association of Canada. Chhath Puja is not complete without a Chhath song. I am presenting a Chhath song, the most popular one, and showing you in the background the glimpses of Chhath Puja celebrated in past few years in Toronto.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं संजय मकर, को-चेयर पैनोरमा इंडिया, आपको भारत के स्वतंत्र दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। जय हिंद।
We are a 3-year-old non-profit social organization that focuses on building a vibrant community of people from the state of Chhattisgarh across US, Canada, Australia and Singapore. We take pride in calling ourselves Chhattisgarhis, and though we are one of the younger found states in the country, our origins are mentioned in scripts as early as the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. Let's visit some of the most popular tourist places.
फूल झरे हंसी मोती झरे बोली बैना तो, फूल झरे हंसी मोती झरे बोली बैना तो, नैना रस भरे तोर नैना रस भरे तो।
The masterstroke of inspiration, an artist's surreal imagination, the wings of fantasy taking the shape of life. Life that is simple, pure, and full of nature's song. Such is the splendor of the Niagara of Asia.
छत्तीसगढ़ के भूयमा हो।
Rich in culture and artifacts, Chhattisgarh is also popularly called as the Dhan ka Katora, which means the rice bowl of India.
छत्तीसगढ़ के भूयमा हो, छत्तीसगढ़ के भूयमा भाग हमर जागरे जागरे हो।
छत्तीसगढ़ ला कैथे दीदी धान के कटोरा, छत्तीसगढ़ ला कैथे भैया धान के कटोरा।
होरे 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 हाय। हमर पारा तू हर पारा पारा ए ओ पारा, चला संगी कर माला खिले खाल पारा। हमर पारा तू हर पारा पारा ए ओ पारा, चला संगी कर माला खिले खाल पारा। छोट बड़े करम डारा, छोट बड़े करम डारा, गड़ाए खिलते हमर सारा हाय। गड़ाए खिले करम डारा, अरे हाय गड़ाए खिले करम डारा, खिला खिला गड़ाए खिले करम डारा, अरे हाय गड़ाए खिले करम डारा। हमर पारा तू हर पारा पारा ए ओ पारा, चला संगी कर माला खिले खाल पारा। हमर पारा तू हर पारा पारा ए ओ पारा, चला संगी कर माला खिले खाल पारा। छोट बड़े करम डारा, छोट बड़े करम डारा, गड़ाए खिलते हमर सारा हाय। गड़ाए खिले करम डारा, अरे हाय गड़ाए खिले करम डारा, खिला खिला गड़ाए खिले करम डारा, अरे हाय गड़ाए खिले करम डारा।
As As an organization, we feel proud that we celebrated our 3rd anniversary with Honorable Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel ji and Honorable Lok Sabha Speaker Charandas Mahant ji this year.
खुशी है कि वहाँ नाचा नाम की एक संस्था बनी है, नॉर्थ अमेरिका छत्तीसगढ़ एसोसिएशन। उन लोगों ने न्यू जर्सी में एक कार्यक्रम में पूरे प्रांत के लोगों को बुलाया था, जो वहाँ के हमारे जितने भी। वहाँ मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई कि उन लोगों ने कहा कि हम अपने घर छोड़ के आए, अब हम जो कमा रहे हैं उसका कुछ हिस्सा हम छत्तीसगढ़ में लगाना चाहते हैं, तो हमारे लिए आप व्यवस्था करिए कि हम कैसे हैं, जो बहुत अच्छी लगी। और पूरा छत्तीसगढ़ के लोग वहाँ कोरबा के, वहाँ दर्री के, वहाँ चांपा के, वहाँ सारा गांव के लोग मिले, बड़ा आनंद आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Udaan by Nacha, scholarship program by Global Chhattisgarhi NRIs for talented and brilliant Chhattisgarhi students in need of financial aid. अधिक जानकारी के लिए cgnacha.com पर संपर्क करें।
एकंतार तीर परियार बरचर ईर बेस बेस लगना, एकंतार तीर परियार बरचर ईर बेस बेस लगना।
टल जाए
Kohli, co-chair for Panorama India, and on behalf of the entire board, I'd like to wish all of you and your families a very special 74th India Day celebration. This year, we are glad you joined us online to make it the largest India Day and virtual Grand Parade celebration with Panorama India. Thank you, and please stay safe. Jai Hind.
Hello all, this is Navni Sharma from Cancer Warrior Canada Foundation, and I would like to thank Panorama India Day for having us all the time every year as a community organization and giving us the opportunity to raise the awareness on cancer. So as you guys might have remembered that we performed last year in the fashion show of Panorama India Day at Nathan Phillips Square and raised awareness, and the fashion show was sponsored by Dinesh Ramsey and was walked by all the cancer survivors. So guys, this is Navneet, and I wish Panorama India a lot of wishes for this again beautiful day which is coming up as Panorama India Day. And what we do, I would like to tell you that we actually create awareness, we help cancer patients, we help their families when they go through this tough fight. So you can always reach out to us if anyone you know is going through cancer, and any kind of help. Cancer Warrior Canada Foundation is a not-for-profit organization. We are always there to help you anytime, 24/7. You can reach out to myself or my team. Our Facebook page is cancer.warrior. You can follow us Instagram, and we are on YouTube too. So I wish everyone in the Panorama, the audiences and the team, very best wishes that come strongly in this COVID, whether it's virtual, but still we have to celebrate our India Day as we are proud Indians. Thank you.
दिल्ली के नथे कूचे और आके मुसव्वर हैं, जो शक्ल नजर आई तस्वीर नजर आई। दिलवालों की मतवाली दिल्ली.
Hello, I am Sunil Grover. I want to wish Indian Consulate General, Panorama India and the entire city of Greater Toronto a very special India Day celebration. I'm looking forward to speaking with you live at 6 p.m. during the India Day celebration. Let's have a good time. Maga Chakrapati. Well, let's celebrate.
નમસ્તે, મારું નામ ચિંતન બાવસા, પ્રેસિડેન્ટ ઓફ નાઇકો. 2010થી નટરાજ યુથ કલ્ચર ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન એવરી યર 2 ઇવેન્ટ કરી રહી છે. એમાં એક છે 15મી ઓગસ્ટ પરેડ ઇન્ડિયન પેનોરમા અને કોન્સ્યુલેટ જનરલની સાથે રહીને અમે એમાં દર વર્ષે ગુજરાતનો ફ્લોટ ડિફરન્ટ થીમથી મૂકી રહ્યા છીએ.
This year, we're taking part in Panorama and CGI Toronto's India's Independence Day celebration parade. But due to COVID, it could not be held in Toronto downtown, which is why we're going to enter in this parade as a virtual float. Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is this amazing statue that is located in Gujarat and is based off of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And it is the world's largest statue, standing at 182 meters. Performing on a song called Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat. Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat is the state song of Gujarat, written by a Gujarati poet.
समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभ कार्येषु सर्वदा. जय गरवी गुजरात.
Namaskar. I am Tushar Unatkar from Toronto. I congratulate NICOS for putting up this virtual float celebrating the 73rd India's Independence Day.
જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત. ગુજરાતનું ગૌરવ એટલે કે સરદાર પટેલ.
જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત. જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત.
જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત. I proud.
જય 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 ગરવી ગુજરાત.
At Toronto, Canada. Jai Gujarat, Jai Bharat.
They made all Gujarati community proud in Toronto. I Mukund Purohit.
Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat. Proud to be a Canadian Gujarati.
Proud to be a Canadian Gujarati. Thank you.
Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat. I'm proud to be Canadian Gujarati.
જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત. જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત. અમે કેનેડાના ગુજરાતી હોવાનો ગર્વ અનુભવીએ છીએ.
Don Patel, proud to be Canadian Gujarati.
जय जय गरवी गुजरात.
હું વિજય પટેલ, રાઇટિંગ ઇમિગ્રેશન. I am proud to be Canadian Gujarati.
Proud to be a Canadian Gujarati.
હું છું સંજુ પટેલ. જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત. Proud to be a Canadian Gujarati.
જય ગરવી ગુજરાત. કેનેડાથી હેપી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ડે ટુ એવરીવન અને જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત.
ઓ રાજ મારું જીત્યું હંમેશા ગુજરાત. ઓ રાજ મારું જીત્યું હંમેશા
ગુજરાતી ધન્ય હું થઈ ગયો.
જન્મ મારો અહીં થયો.
જય 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 ગરવી ગુજરાત.
બોલ બોલ દોડી દોડી જય જગીનો ગુજરાતી હો જય જગીનો ગુજરાતી કૈયા 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 કૈ.
આપ સૌને બ્રજેશ અને રિંકુના જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિવસ નિમિત્તે સર્વેને શુભકામનાઓ. હેપી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ડે. જય હિન્દ, વંદે માતરમ. જયેશ બ્રહ્મભટ્ટ ફ્રોમ કેનેડા.
नमस्कार, मैं फैनिल पटेल, प्रेसिडेंट गुजरात पब्लिक अफेयर काउंसिल ऑफ कनाडा, और आज पनोरामा के माध्यम से हम वर्चुअल वीडियो करना चाह रहे हैं अगस्त 15 का स्वतंत्रता दिन का। उसके लिए मैं कॉन्सुलेट जनरल अपूर्वा श्रीवास्तव जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, और मैं आप सब भारतवासियों और कनाडा में रहते हुए हर भारतीयों को स्वतंत्रता दिन की शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। भले हमारी कर्मभूमि कनाडा है, लेकिन हमारी जन्मभूमि इंडिया है, और सब एकजुट मिलजुट के रहे, ऐसे सबको स्वतंत्रता दिन की शुभकामनाएं।
दिन गुजारो गुजरात में।
Namaskar. Friends, my name is Anil Shah. I'm the current chair of Canada India Foundation. Along with the Board of Governors of Canada India Foundation, I would like to congratulate the Indian High Commission, the Indian consulates in Toronto and in Vancouver, and Panorama India on this 73rd Independence Day Virtual Parade 2020. What days have we got? COVID-19 has brought us to so many different things, and this is perhaps the new norm. We have to do everything virtually. CIF, on their side and their counter side, they have worked hard during this pandemic to bringing in new initiatives. We have raised money from within the memberships. All my Board of Governor members have given us support. They have supported not only with money, but with their moral support and standing beside me and the whole team at different hospital sites. We have raised money, we have given away 15,000 plus meals. We have donated a lot of groceries. We have donated a lot of food and medicines to the needies, which included the international students. We have done a lot of work for the international students, including approaching the Prime Minister's office to support them for being the international students who are not qualified under the CERB and CESB, so that they can also get compensated like any other students. The fight is not yet over. The fight is still going on. And we are confident that something will work out. On the other front, as far as the recent case is concerned with China, we lost 20 heroes at the Galwan Valley. Canada India Foundation has taken up the cause to raise money for those families and have committed a minimum amount of $40,000 to be paid to their families. We have raised quite a bit, but we need more. And more we raise, more we pay. Please donate with your open hearts to CIF Charity at cifcharitablefoundation.com and oblige us and oblige yourself. Keep your passion lighting up with all the passions. Please, please donate. And at the end, I would like to again congratulate all the organizers of this event. Thank you very much and have a great day.
Namaskar, I'm Sachin Khedekar from Maharashtra State of India. I would like to wish the Indian High Commission in Ottawa, the Indian Consulate in Toronto, Panorama India, and the entire Indian community in Canada a very happy India Day. We are immensely proud of Vaidehi Bhagat and team who are organizing Maharashtra Float. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind.
भाग मेरी इस भारत माँ कहलाना मेरा हरियाणा जित दूध दही का खाना। नए वर्ष की देवें बधाई हरियाणा की सारे, इस भारत की यह तमन्ना जियो पड़ोसी धारे हरियाणा की गाले गली गूंजे जय हिंद के नारे अंबर भूल बखेरे जब हम छेड़ा राग पुराना मेरा हरियाणा जित दूध दही का खाना मेरा हरियाणा के सारे भाई मेहनत करें जोर की किसे तय भी मिल कर देखो ना कोई बात बौर की करे रखवाली सीमा की हिम्मत ना पड़े और की धरती और गगन में चमके जब केसरिया बाना मेरा हरियाणा जित दूध दही का खाना मेरा
हेलो दोस्त, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार। मैं हूँ द ग्रेट खाली और मेरे ओर से और पूरे हिंदुस्तानियों की ओर से जो मेरे भाई हिमाचली, पूरे भारत के लोग जो कनाडा में रहते हैं और मेरी ओर से पूरे मेरी टीम की ओर से विश यू वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डेज। तो दोस्तों, खूब तरक्की करो और खूब मेहनत करो और ऐसे ही अपने हिंदुस्तान के कनाडा पे भी और देश विदेश पे झंडे गाड़ो और सोशल डिस्टेंस का ध्यान रखो, क्योंकि कोरोना वायरस ऑल ओवर इन द वर्ल्ड में है। और दूसरा मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि ये सदा बाहर नहीं रहना मतलब। सो मैं प्रे करता हूँ ये जल्दी से जल्दी कोरोना वायरस ये ख़त्म हुए और एक हमारी जो लाइफ एक सामान्य होए। और फिर से मैं एक बार जितने भी कनाडा में हिंदुस्तान के लोग हैं उनको सभी को ही मैं बहुत बहुत 15 अगस्त की बधाई देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
ऊंचा हिमालय पहाड़ां दा नजारा, ऊंचा हिमालय पहाड़ां दा नजारा, कितना सुंदर हिमाचल हमारा, कितना सुंदर हिमाचल हमारा।
नमस्कार देवियों सज्जनों, हिमकैन हिमाचली एसोसिएशन इन कनाडा जीटीए में स्थित एक नॉन फॉर प्रॉफिट संस्था है जिसका केवल एक ही उद्देश्य है कि कनाडा में रह रहे हिमाचलियों को एक सूत्र में बांधा जा सके और किसी न किसी बहाने एक दूसरे के साथ खड़ा रहा जाए। भारत के 73वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में इस प्रस्तुति के माध्यम से हमारा प्रयास है कि हिमाचल की एक छोटी सी झलक आप सबके सामने रखी जाए। आशा करते हैं ये प्रस्तुति आपको कम से कम एक बार हिमाचल आने के लिए प्रेरित जरूर करेगी। हिमाचल प्रदेश धरती पर प्रकृति का वो आश्चर्य है जहां सूरज भी अपनी पहली किरणें फेंकने पर गर्व का अनुभव करता है। बर्फ की चादर ओढ़े हुए ऊंचे पहाड़, देवदार के घने पेड़ और इसका ठंडा बहता हुआ पानी प्रकृति की हिमाचल को विशेष देन है। धरती पर यदि आपको स्वर्ग की अनुभूति करनी हो तो मेरी मानिए हिमाचल जरूर आइए। एक छोटा राज्य होते हुए भी यहाँ की सांस्कृतिक विविधता इस प्रदेश को और भी सुंदर बनाती है।
खुशी दे जान देने दिला वाले दुखड़े हो, हर खुशी दे जान देने दिला वाले दुखड़े। बरखा बहारा पंछी भी उड़ारा, शान हिमालय हमारा, ऊंचा हिमालय हो, ऊंचा हिमालय।
हिमाचल में आना पर पॉलीथीन न लाना, ये पेड़ काटोगे तो 100 पेड़ लगाना। लड़का लड़की छोटा बड़ा सबको पढ़ाना, ऊंचा ये हिमालय हम सब की शान है। आजकल नेचर हमसे बड़ी परेशान है, चंबे ते मैं शुरू करा 10 नाइसली ड्यूटी। कांगड़े कुल्लू रोड शिमले भीड़ रहंदी छुट्टी, ये कीप इट क्लीन समझो अपनी ड्यूटी। छोटे छोटे गाँव यहाँ के प्लेजेंट रहंदा मौसम, सारा साल टूरिस्ट आंदे फीलिंग लेंदे ऑसम। देवियां दे मंदिर इतू राज्यां दे किले, देवभूमि धरती हमारी 12 इसरे जिले। हिमाचल टूरिज्म को हम चमकाए, आओ भ्रूण हत्या को जड़ से मिटाए। शादी करो यारों पर दहेज मत मंगाना, आओ मिलकर साथ मेरे गाओ यही गाना। हिमाचल में आना पर पॉलीथीन न लाना, वेलकम आप सबका पर पॉलीथीन न लाना।
इत्थों दिल्ली बस दिखा सोने बड़े लगदे, नत्था बेसरा ते टिको मथे उत्थे सजदे। हत्थां विच वंगा आहा मारे दी चमका, ओहो एहो दे आवेश हमारा, ऊंचा हिमालय हो, ऊंचा हिमालय।
हिमाचल धरती है देवों की, इसीलिए इसे देवभूमि भी कहा जाता है। आप किसी भी धर्म में आस्था रखने वाले हों, हिमाचल के दरवाजे आपके लिए हमेशा खुले हैं। फिर चाहे वो मंदिर हो, मस्जिद हो, गुरुद्वारे हो, गिरजाघर हो या बौद्ध मठ हो। वैसे तो आप सब ने कुल्लू में मनाया जाने वाला दशहरा देखा भी होगा और उसके बारे में सुना भी होगा, पर आपको जानकर आश्चर्य होगा कि 2016 में गिनीज बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में एक नया कीर्तिमान दर्ज किया गया था, जिसमें 12,000 महिलाओं ने अपनी रंग बिरंगी वेशभूषा में इस त्योहार में हिस्सा लिया और यह उस समय का वॉलंटरीली पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए नृत्य का सबसे बड़ा कीर्तिमान स्थापित हुआ। जब बात शक्ति और शौर्य की हो तो उसमें भी हिमाचल एक विशेष स्थान रखता है। एक छोटा राज्य होते हुए भी भारत में युद्ध के दौरान परमवीर चक्र पाने वाले योद्धाओं में 21 में से 4 योद्धा हिमाचल से हैं। मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल धन सिंह थापा, मेजर विक्रम बत्रा और सूबेदार संजय कुमार। हिमाचल की बात हो और हिमाचली धाम का उल्लेख ना हो, ऐसा संभव नहीं। विशेष आयोजनों पर एक विशेष विधि से बनाया जाने वाला भोजन धाम कहलाता है। इसमें लगभग 8 से 10 प्रकार के अलग अलग व्यंजन बनाकर अतिथियों को परोसा जाता है। सारे अतिथि एक साथ भूमि पर बैठकर भोजन का आनंद लेते हैं।
Hi, this is Dalip Kumar, President HIMCAN.
Hello everyone, नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मुझे नमस्ता है।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आशु कालिया है।
Hello everyone, मेरा नाम है मोना शर्मा।
नमस्कार,
मेरा नाम है अरुण चौहान।
कनाडा में रह रहे समस्त हिमाचल वासियों की तरफ से सारे सबको भारत के स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और बधाई देना चाहता हूँ।
Himachal Cultural Association in Canada, wishing you all a very very happy India's 73rd Independence Day.
हिमकैन की तरफ से कनाडा में रह रहे सभी भारतवासियों को भारत के स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ।
मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है कि भारतवासी विश्व गुरु बनकर सारे विश्व को उन्नति, प्रगति और समृद्धि के रास्ते पे लेके जाएं। और once again best wishes on India's Independence Day.
On behalf of the Himachali Association in Canada, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. जहाँ भी रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, stay safe, stay healthy.
हिमकैन हिमाचली एसोसिएशन इन कनाडा की तरफ से दुनिया में रह रहे समस्त भारतवासियों को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
जय हिमाचल, जय हिंद।
जय हिमाचल, जय भारत।
जय हिंद, जय हिमाचल।
जय हिंद, जय हिमाचल।
Pleasant ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਮੌਸਮ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਾਲ ਟੂਰਿਸਟ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਲੈਂਦੇ awesome ਦੇਵੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡਰ ਇਤੂ ਰਾਜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਕਿਲੇ ਦੇ ਭੂਮੀ ਧਰਤੀ हमारी 12 इसरे जिले हिमाचल टूरिज्म को हम चमकाए आओ भ्रूण हत्या को जड़ से मिटाए शादी करो यारों पर दहेज मत मंगाना आओ मिलकर साथ मेरे गाओ यही गाना हिमाचल में आना पर पॉलीथीन न लाना वेलकम आप सबका पर पॉलीथीन न लाना।
जाट बलवान हम, हिंद की है शान हम, खौफ कुछ हमें नहीं, मृत्यु का भी भय नहीं, दुश्मनों के सामने डरे नहीं, डटे वहीं, नोच खाते दुश्मनों को सिंह के समान हम, जाट बलवान हम, हिंद की है शान हम। धधक उठी चिंगारियां, रही बरसती गोलियां, चट्टान सा अडिग रहे, रुकी न अपनी टोलियां, सोख ले समुद्र भी, ले अगर ये ठान हम, जाट बलवान हम, हिंद की है शान हम। अर्पित कर रक्त तिलक, भारत माँ के मस्तक, साथी अपने खोए हैं, मन ही मन में रोए हैं, किंतु झुका सकते नहीं अपना स्वाभिमान हम, हिंद की है शान हम, जाट बलवान हम। ठहरते न एक छिन, राह हो भले कठिन, बढ़े चले रुके नहीं, हम कभी थके नहीं, मातृभूमि के लिए है आन बान शान हम, जाट बलवान हम, हिंद की है शान हम।
Namaste, I am Vicky Kaushal. I would like to wish the Indian High Commission in Ottawa, the Consulate General in Toronto, Panorama India, and the entire Indian community in Canada a very happy Independence Day. This year 2020 has been very tough on us, and it is yet not the most favorable times to celebrate, but I hope and I pray that everyone has their Josh super high on this auspicious day of our independence. Stay safe, God bless, and wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Namaste and welcome back, everyone. And we are in conversation with our current board of directors for Panorama India. I want to welcome you all as we're all celebrating India Day this week. I'm so excited. Joining me now is Vaidehi Bhagat, Mrs. Vaidehi Bhagat, who is our Director of Community Relations. Welcome, Vaidehi.
Namaste. Thank you. It's nice to be here. Finally, the day has come in here, arrived, and we are all excited about it. Yeah.
So excited. And, Vedi, this is, of course, a very different year for all of us. The board behind the scenes has been working so hard. Last year and the many years we've celebrated in Nathan Phillips Square, full glory,
True.
85,000 people. You
Yes.
so involved with even the floats and the parades. This year we had a decision as a board to make, and we decided let's make it even bigger online and let's make it a phenomenal success and coming together for Panorama India. So
Absolutely.
And so Vedi, one big thing that, and as everybody knows, Panorama India, of course, is a volunteer organization. Each of us gives our time because we truly love, giving back, and it's our way to celebrate India. You have now been a director with Panorama India for 2 years, but prior to that, you've been tied to Panorama for a very long time. You've always been involved in culture and programming. You've truly been a community leader in the cultural segment. You've always stepped up to help Panorama India from, even having cultural submissions. Your Dhol Tasha is my favorite part. So, Vedi, my question to you, first of all, why Panorama? What has made you want to be part of Panorama? What motivates you to be part of the board?
Sister Sumita, actually, we all have come here and we've left our country actually for many years. For me, it's been like 20 years. And before that also, I left India in 92. And from all those years coming back, like you still have a bond where you've grown up, where you were born. So, and actually, definitely an attachment to the soil. And soil, along with the soil goes your people. Your Indian people, you are so tied up to them that you definitely want to reach out there and stay bonded with your own communities, even if you live abroad. So that was the motive. And basically, when I started associating with Panorama and volunteering with Panorama to help out in few things, yes, I realized that I am able to give back to community, not only my community, but my Indian community, who I'm actually bonded now. And as you know, I'm interacting with so many organizations who are actually doing these state floats. And as you said, like amazing, this is a wonderful surprise that this year, despite of all the ups and downs with what we all are going through, we have encountered such an incredible response from the communities that we have the highest number of state floats this year. Like it is going to be a surprise as to what it's going to be like, but yes, so this is the best thing I can talk about and I take pride in. Yes, and associating with organizations so amazing. They have forthcomingly shown their own passion for their own country, love for their own country, and talking about that. Yes, we want to participate. We will be there. Like, and it's just few days remaining, but still, some states are coming up. Yes, we will do it. Like, we will be there. Like, and everybody wants to stay bonded. It's their drive and their own what that pulls all of us together. Mitti ki khushboo. Yeah, that is what it is about, and I guess that is what keeps us bonded. Like,
no, Vedi, I think you made a very, very good point. It's that love, that bonding, bringing us all together. Everybody, we're very lucky. We're Canadians. And ऐसी country mein, they want us to celebrate where we've come from. Who our backgrounds are, heritage. For me, I've learned so much about so many states because of you, especially Maharashtra, because your love of Maharashtra is so passionate. But you are so passionate with all the states, and so our viewers know, and all the audience that supports Panorama India knows. When we decided to put a virtual parade together, it's very different than when you do a physical event.
A new experience for all of us, actually. Yes.
Yes, and with a physical event, and please don't get me wrong, we have a huge response when we do the parade physically as well. When we have to do virtual, we began months before in planning. This is the end result as everyone's seeing this week and how the celebration are going on. But to work with each organization and to work on a virtual submission, you will all be seeing this because you're all watching it now and you're going to be watching it this whole week. The work that went into it was truly Vaidehi on our end, who has truly put in the time to work with each of these organizations. We're very lucky, like she said, they all stepped up. We were so amazed with that. began the journey with a community meeting, right, Vedi? We had a community meeting.
Yes, very much. Yes. And to tell you the fact, basically, as you said, you just rightly said that the involvement of all the communities, despite of the fact that we are all social distancing, we are not actually meeting, but the amazing response from the communities, how they are forming their own teams to make these different segments that we have put together. And they are still working together and while keeping the social distancing norms, abiding to them.
Yes. And that's actually been, we are very thankful to everybody who are all following the rules. We all want to be home. We want to be safe. We want to make sure we get through this pandemic together, safe and sound, to a new normal. So, Vedi, you know, this year, of course, like I said, it's very different year. You've already, shared some surprises, which everyone is hearing. And of course, we have the big decision of top 3 floats, which we will be announcing on Sunday evening on Namaste.
As every year. Yes.
And, and Vedi, by the way, in the past, before she was a board chair, used to actually work hard on the Maharashtra float and has been a winner in the past as well. So she knows the work that goes in. But now you get to watch the floats virtually, and it's very different kind of work. And I think it's harder to do a virtual float than it is a physical, because you have to showcase your entire state in that 10-minute segment. Is that correct, Vedi?
Absolutely. And the amount of effort that you are putting in, you have to show different aspects, cover all the aspects. And despite of being this online, there's so many people coming together, like probably much more. Float, you have a team, you decorate physically. And yes, it's parallel, but at the same time, at this point of time, they have so many people compiling together all these segments, plus and the team who is working to put the video together. So that's amazing. So I guess every organization and states are actually working with a lot more people than in the past.
So Vedi, as we close, I'd love for you, as we're celebrating this India Day celebration right now, please, if you can share a special message for everybody who's joining us. Is there anything you'd like to share with them as we close the segment?
Yes, as I said, like we all are still bonded. And I would like to tell everybody that, yes, stay positive. And we have come a long way with all this. So I think this shall also pass. So we just have to stay focused, be nice, keep the humanity approach in the society to help each other and stay bonded. And of course, Almighty will get us through with this too. So definitely wishing everybody a happy Independence Day and wishing everybody good health, happiness, and we will all get through this together.
Thank you, Vedi Bhagat, in conversation with our current directors for Panorama India. Thank you for joining us. We are all wishing you a very, very happy India Day celebration, and Jai Hind.
Hi, this is Kicha Sudeepa here, wishing you all a very special 74th India Day and virtual Grand Parade. Really proud to be one of the virtual Grand Parade Marshals. I want to congratulate Panorama India and wishing you all a safe celebration with your families. Jai Hind.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘ ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ 1973ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತವಾಯಿತು. ಇಂದು ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರನ್ನ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸೇವೆಗಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ ಅಸಂಖ್ಯಾತ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರುಗಳು. ಪಾನೋರಮಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆರಂಭದಿಂದಲೂ ಸಕ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಪೆರೇಡ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಹಲವು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತನ್ನದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಪದ್ಮಭೂಷಣ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್, ಮಾಜಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಚ್.ಡಿ. ದೇವೇಗೌಡರು, ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಮೊದಲಾದ ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ಸತ್ಕರಿಸಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರು, ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರು, ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘ ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ ಕೆನಡಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಪರಂಪರೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಬ್ಬ ಹರಿದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಲೆ, ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯೋದ್ಯಮ, ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಸೇರಿ ಬದುಕಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಾಮಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕನ್ನಡತನವನ್ನು ಮೆರೆಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಎಂಬ ಪದವು ಕರುನಾಡು ಎಂಬ ಪದಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಭಾರತದ ಅನೇಕ ಪುರಾಣಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಕೃತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟ ದೇಶ ಎಂದು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಗಳಿವೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವು ಕಲೆ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ಪಾಕಪದ್ಧತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜ್ಞಾನದ ವಿಶ್ವವನ್ನೇ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಜೈವಿಕ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಘಟ್ಟಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಯುನೆಸ್ಕೋ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಎಂದು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿದೆ. ಇದು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜೀವ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳಿಗೆ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜಗತ್ತಿನ 300ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಳಿವಿನ ಅಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಭೇದಗಳಿಗೆ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಭಾರತದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಎಂದೇ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ. ಧರ್ಮೋ ರಕ್ಷತಿ ರಕ್ಷಿತಃ ಎನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸದೃಶವಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹಲವು ಮಂದಿರಗಳು, ಮಠಗಳು, ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳೂ ಇವೆ. ಶೃಂಗೇರಿಯ ಶಾರದಾ ಪೀಠ, ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಅಷ್ಟಮಠಗಳು, ತುಮಕೂರಿನ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಯಡಿಯೂರು ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ, ಹೊರನಾಡು, ಮೈಸೂರು ಸೈಂಟ್ ಫಿಲೋಮಿನಾಸ್ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಖ್ವಾಜಾ ಬಂದೇ ನವಾಜ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಕೆನಡಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಹಲವು ದೇವಾಲಯಗಳು, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯ.
ಶಾರದಾ ಪೀಠ ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ಇವರ ಶಾಖಾಮಠವಾದ ಶಾರದಾಂಬಾ ದೇವಾಲಯ, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಂಕರ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ ಮಹಾನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ.
ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ ಮಹಾನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಎಂಬ ಮಠವು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮಠಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಹರಿವಾಯು ಗುರುಗಳ ಅನುಗ್ರಹಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸದಾ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏಷ್ಯಾದ ಮೊದಲ ಹೈಡೆಲ್ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಯೋಜನೆ ನಾಲ್ವಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಜಗತ್ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಕೆಆರ್ಎಸ್ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟು ಕಟ್ಟಿದವರು ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯನವರು. ಭಾರತದ ತ್ರಿವರ್ಣ ಧ್ವಜವನ್ನು ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ತಯಾರಿಸುವುದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಬುದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಕನ್ನಡವು ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಂಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅನೇಕ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಬರಹಗಾರರು ಮತ್ತು ಕವಿಗಳನ್ನು ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪಾಕಪದ್ಧತಿ ಬಹಳ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಮಲೆನಾಡು, ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಕೊಡಗು, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಎಂಬಂತೆ 10 ಹಲವು ಪ್ರಾಂತ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಶೈಲಿಯ ರುಚಿಕರ ಮತ್ತು ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕ ಪಾಕವಿಧಾನಗಳು ಜಗತ್ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯ ಆಹಾರಗಳು ಕೆನಡಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಯಾಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅನೇಕ ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಂಡಿದೆ. ಕೆನಡಾದ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲೂ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಧ್ವಜವನ್ನು ಹಾರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲತಾ ಪಾದಾರ್ ಅವರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾನಡಾ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ಚಂದ್ರ ಆರ್ಯ ನೇಪಿಯನ್ನಿಂದ 2 ಬಾರಿ ಸಂಸದರಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸಿರಾ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರುವ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಹೊರನಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಕೆನಡಾದ ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪನೋರಮಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಅರ್ಥಗರ್ಭಿತವಾಗಿ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಹೊರ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮವನ್ನು ತಾವು ಇದ್ದ ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದನೇ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ.
ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಜನ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೆನಡಾ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನವನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇಯನ್ನು ಕೆನಡಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಭಾರತದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ 6.5 ಕೋಟಿ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ,
ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ,
ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ,
ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ,
ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ, ಭೂದೇವಿಯ ಮಕುಟದ ನವಮಣಿಯೇ, ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ.
ಹಮಾರಾ ಭಾರತ್ ಮೇರಾ ಭಾರತ್, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ.
ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ,
ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ.
Hi, this is Aditya Dhar, writer-director of Uri, The Surgical Strike. I would like to wish the Indian High Commission in Ottawa, the Consulate General in Toronto, Panorama India and the entire Indian community in Canada a very happy Independence Day. May India and all the Indians all over the world become a beacon of love and positivity during this unprecedented global crisis. Jai Hind.
Visier, visier, weil was bon, Belsaras Gasavan. Visier, visier, weil was bon. Visier, visier, weil was bon, Belsaras Gasavan. Visier, visier, weil was bon.
मस्ती के हम तो राग गाएंगे, हम खुशियाँ रब से मांग लाएंगे.
बिखरे सरों से गीत बनाकर, टूटे हुए ख्वाबों को सजाकर, झूमो रे झूमो झूमरो, बुमरो बुमरो, बुमरो बुमरो, शाम रंग बुमरो बुमरो बुमरो, शाम रंग बुमरो, केजी चक्सो तालानो, हो हो बुमरो बुमरो, शाम रंग बुमरो बुमरो बुमरो, शाम रंग बुमरो, केजी चक्सो तालानो, हो हो.
तितली से रंग तुला, दुनिया पे रंग लुटा दे, फूलों से खुशबू ला और गगन गगन महका दे.
तितली से रंग तुला, दुनिया पे रंग लुटा दे, फूलों से खुशबू ला और गगन गगन महका दे.
तू घूम घूम तू झूम झूम तो
झूमेगा ये अंबर, तू जान जान ले ठान ठान ले, बदलेगा हर मंजर। आंखों को अपनी तारे बना के सारी दुनिया को चमका के, झूमो रे झूमो झूम रो, बुम रो बुम रो, बुम रो बुम रो, शाम रंग बुम रो बुम रो बुम रो, शाम रंग बुम रो, केसी चक से होता लानो, हो हो बुम रो, शाम रंग बुम रो बुम रो बुम रो, शाम रंग बुम रो, केसी चक से होता लानो, हो हो विsie mal was bon, alsaras gasavan, visie mal was bon, alsaras gasavan, bum ro bum ro bum ro bum ro, visie mal was bon, alsaras gasavan, bum ro bum ro bum ro bum ro, bum ro sham rang bum ro bum ro bum ro, sham rang bum ro bum ro।
तू हंगामा जमीनी या करामत आसमानी, की बरकशुर मेहरबाना शवत तू हर जमाने, सलामे वाजवाने वाजवाने वाजवाने, सलामे वाजवाने वाजवाने वाजवाने, सलामे वाजवाने वाजवाने वाजवाने, सलामे वाजवाने वाजवाने वाजवाने।
Used to tree panas, nenadanas kya kom, her kaydeyiz çolagi panas, panikot zanı dakı।
Bahçesi kan majkur, diu merak saath mein bay jano, मैं छुवारिफ से ढा दूर, तू रिहाई ज़िम लग्यो bay jano, bahçesi kan Bukus televan sukus, onum batuklutum degi. Hukus bukus televan sukus, onum batuklutum degi. Schwarz kitch kitch vamano, brahmandaran point chokum tekis takha bani kyo. Hukus bukus televan sukus, moho batuklutum degi. Schwarz kitch kitch vamano, brahmandaran point chokum tekis takha bani kyo.
development. For the last several decades, ECAL has been involved in strengthening the villages of India economically, socially and culturally. The first program of ECAL Abhiyan, which started 30 years ago with the goal of overall development of the tribals, was to increase the literacy of the villages. It later evolved into the Panchmukhi education program. In far-flung areas of India, where no one comes to the aid of the underprivileged society, ECAL schools with one teacher have given birth to many success stories. Today, there are more than 100,000 ECAL Vidyalaya in the nation.
मैंने एक कार्यक्रम में कि 2022 तक हमें ECAL विद्यालयों की संख्या 1 लाख तक पहुंचानी है, लेकिन मेरे लिए खुशी की बात है कि आपने इस लक्ष्य को 3 साल पहले 2019 में ही हासिल कर लिया।
ECAL's efforts are preserving India's philosophical, linguistic, scientific, technical and artistic heritage.
Namaste, my name is Ratish Ramakant Chachar from Maharashtra, State of India. I would like to wish the Indian High Commission in Ottawa, the Indian Consulate in Toronto, Panorama India and the entire Indian community in Canada a very happy India Day. Also proud of Vaidi, Bhagat team and team who are organized Maharashtra floor. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind.
മുത്താളം മുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് പൂപ്പൊലിപ്പാട്ടീണം മൈലാഞ്ചി പാട്ടിനഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം
മിന്നൽ പൂരം തുടിതാളം മഴയുടെ മേളം നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കും നരവനതാളം
everyone. My name is Mohua, and I wanted to wish all of you a very special 74th India Day. On behalf of Sargam Studio, we want to congratulate Panorama India for the first ever virtual celebration for this. And I hope that you and your families have a safe and special day. Take care, stay safe, and Jai Hind.